Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, your phone app is now PhoneLink. Yep, the name change has happened. The Your Phone app that is now available on Windows 10 and 11 that links to your phone is changing its name. Now it's interesting because it is quite it's still very limited to for most of everything you want to do to Samsung Galaxy phones. Samsung seems to still have a partnership with Microsoft, and it is sad because one of the biggest problems with that is the fact that it actually gives you a disadvantage, and I know some people are frustrated not to have all the options available on the app when you're not with specific phones. Of course, one of the things about the phone app is also the fact that it doesn't work with iPhones really, because iPhones doesn't give permissions for all of this, but it works well when you have a proper phone. I got a S20 5G here, so it works great, and you can have your notifications, messages, pictures, apps, all sorts of stuff actually are working as long as you have the proper phone. Unfortunately, if you have an Android phone that is not a Samsung Galaxy, you can still have some of the functionalities, but it's not necessarily always the same functionalities, and you won't have the same advantages and all of the advantages of what is the app on the sharing of information and the possibilities of the Samsung phones. Unfortunately, it'd be fun if Microsoft would kind of open this to more phones that could do a lot more with it. But it's still there. I use it a lot. I like the fact that I can actually have notifications, text messages. I can actually make calls from my PC if you want, which is kind of a cool thing. But unfortunately, limited on a lot of other phones. But it's now called PhoneLink instead of Your Phone on PCs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.